The Palestrina stitch is a beautiful knotted stitch that is easy to do. If you want to make a row of knots, this stitch is probably the answer. You would come out from one end of the row and pluck a little bit of fabric a little ahead. Then you would incline the needle to the left, pass it under the stitch and pull it out. Then you would lean it to the right, loop the working thread under it and pull it out to create a knot on the stitch. You would repeat by plucking a bit of fabric, incline the needle to the left, pull out the needle, and then you would come out from the extreme right, loop the thread under and create that knot. Let me show you a couple of times more. Once you learn to make this knot, you can create various effects by experimenting with different lengths of the stitches. Let me know if you like this short video. Thank you for watching.